Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a column chart in PowerPoint, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like. Okay, how to create a column chart in PowerPoint. When you are in your project, just click Insert. After that, click on Chart, and then you see here column chart. Just click OK, and here you can change the information. For example, category 1, series 1, you can change the number. For example, here 8, and here category 2, 2.5. Then you change to, for example, 4.5. Yeah, and then after you edit the information, just close this window, and this is here. Just you can move it down, or here you can decrease the size. Here you can increase the size. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to create a column chart in PowerPoint. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.